My husband and I moved in February, and we could not wait to get in. We are so thrilled to sell our house and come to this wonderful place.
The main reason I chose this was it was brand new. That was very appealing, and all the amenities and just the way that it's set up, the way that the courtyard and the clubhouse and the different things that were offered.
I would have to say the pool, the hot tub, and the Starbucks machine, definitely.
Watermark offered a lot more amenities than any other apartment complex in this Chesterfield area. It was also new. One of the things they told me when I first moved here was it's the newest complex built in the Chesterfield area in 30 years.
The apartment is a quite nice place. I really feel really great at home, really comfortable at home.